Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must prepare now. Charge the phone above 50%, backup photos, and confirm your Google account and PIN. This prevents lockouts later. Once done, power off the Oppo A5S. Then press and hold volume down and power at the same time to boot into recovery mode. You will feel vibration or see the logo. If it boots to the home screen, release and retry. Timing matters. Use the volume keys to navigate recovery and the power key to select option. Now you perform the actual reset. In recovery, navigate with the volume keys to wipe data and press power to choose it. This is the step that erases user data, so be deliberate. Select wipe data or factory reset depending on options. Confirm by choosing yes when prompted. The process can take several minutes. Do not remove power. Once the wipe completes, you will return to the recovery menu, use the reboot option to restart the device and begin setup. After the wipe, select Reboot System Now to restart. You will go through Android setup like on a new phone. Make sure to sign in with the Google account previously synced to the device, otherwise factory reset protection will block access. If the phone enters a boot loop, boot back to recovery and repeat a full wipe. If that fails, you may need to reflash stock firmware using official tools. This is advanced, so proceed carefully and follow Oppo instructions. Keep patience. Troubleshooting solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.